Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today we have an exciting showdown between two top-notch dash cams. On the left, we have the Chensive 3-channel 4K dash cam, and on the right, we have the VEEMENT dash cam front 2.5K. Get ready for a dash cam battle like no other. Alright, let's dive into the first category, video quality. The Chensive dash cam boasts an impressive 4K resolution, capturing every detail on the road. With its 170 degrees front camera, 150 degrees cabin camera, and 160 degrees rear camera, you won't miss a thing. Next up, let's shed some light on night vision capabilities. The Chensive dash cam comes equipped with super night vision and infrared cabin light. Thanks to its f2.0 aperture and WDR technology, it excels in color precision and clarity, even in low light conditions. Let's move on to connectivity. The Chensive dash cam offers a seamless experience with its built-in Wi-Fi. You can easily transfer videos to your smartphone and share them with friends and family. Last but not least, let's talk about everyone's favorite topic, price. The Chensive dash cam comes in at an affordable $69, which is an absolute steal for a 3-channel 4K dash cam. Overall, the Chensive 3-channel 4K dash cam and the VEEMENT dash cam front 2.5K battled it out, but in the end, both proved to be excellent choices. It all comes down to your personal preferences and budget. And there you have it, folks. The Chensive 3-channel 4K dash cam and the VEEMENT dash cam front 2.5K battled it out, but in the end, both proved to be excellent choices. It all comes down to your personal preferences and budget. Thanks for helping us make a smart purchasing decision. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons and helpful tips. Stay tuned to Buy Smart, where we've got your back when it comes to making smarter buying decisions. See you next time.